Hi everyone, it's Miss Mallory, your favorite Hufflepuff here, ready with my wand. And today I'm going to make some butterbeer because I can't exactly go to Hogsmeade right now. So I'm just going to make some at home and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first what we're going to do, I'm going to put my wand safely to the side. And then, let's see here. So we're actually going to make our topping first, our butterbeer topping. And, okay. So, first what we're going to do is we're going to take our heavy whipping cream, shake it a little bit, and we're going to pour a cup of this heavy whipping cream and dump it in this bowl. Close this up, put that away, and then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our mixer, and I'm just going to very slowly Okay, so we just whipped that up, if you can see. It's a little bit thicker than it was before. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to use some butterscotch topping. I'm going to use a half a cup. Just squeeze it. Whoa! Oh my goodness. That is a lot of butterscotch topping. Okay, we're going to dump this in right in the bowl. This is super sticky, but it smells real good. Okay, so we put that in the bowl, and now we're going to put a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar in the bowl. Woo. And then we're going to mix it all together again. Whoa! Okay, look at that. Whew. It's definitely heavy. Okay. We're going to put that away. And since we have our topping finished, we are ready to make the actual butterbeer. So what you're going to get is some cream soda and your favorite glass. So I decided that I would put my glass in the freezer just to make it nice and chilly. And this is my favorite glass. My friend actually made it for me. And we've just got some regular cream soda here. So I'll put this down. Okay. Pour some in here. Wait for the bubbles to go down. Holy cow. And I'm going to get a straw because I really want to drink my butterbeer through a straw. I'm going to get my straw here. And we got a lot of bubbles at the top. I'm going to scoop some of these bubbles out. Okay. So I'll pour a little bit more cream soda in my cold glass. Okay. And then the secret ingredient is, since I'm only making one glass for myself, I'm going to put in a little less than 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract. And if you can find it, the recipe also calls for caramel extract, but we don't have any at the store here. So I'm just going to use the butter extract. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Okay, see, just that tiny little amount. And I'm going to take my spoon, just make sure that it mixes in. Don't want to stir it too much, otherwise the bubbles will come back. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our topping, and I'm going to take a big, right there, and I'm just going to pour some in. You can pour as little or as much as you want. It's really good. So there we go. It's as easy as that, you guys. Now put your straw in, grab your wand, and let's see how it tastes. It tastes really good. I want some cream though. It's very, very good. And now, if you can't make it to Hogsmeade like me, you can make some butterbeer at home with your family. Thank you for watching and helping me make my butterbeer. I appreciate it, and I will see you all at Hogwarts very, very soon. All right? Bye!